begin tonight with a story you'll see only on 7 over new information that could jeopardize criminal charges in the Flint water crisis.
The U.S. Attorney, Michigan Attorney General, and Genesee County prosecutor warned the governor and others halt the administrative cases or the guilty could go free. Well, now we know why.
7 investigator Jim Kirchner has been leading the way on this story for weeks and joins us now live from our downtown studio with a look at what he's uncovered in this. Jim?
Yeah, my sources tell me the criminal cases against those 2 state officials charged in the Flint water crisis could now be compromised, possibly even thrown out by a judge. They were interviewed by state police during an administrative, not a criminal investigation. We now have that written police report we've obtained through the Freedom of Information Act. Meet Mike Prisby and Stephen Bush. Both work for the Michigan Department of Environmental Quality, a state agency in the center of the Flint water crisis. Both were charged in April with misconduct in office and tampering with evidence, serious felonies. It turns out weeks before, they were also interviewed by the Michigan State Police, doing an administrative investigation for the DEQ. Was it improper for you to step into this with the AG's high-profile criminal investigation already established?
No.
It was not improper?
No.
That is not what legal experts say, including this law professor.
Why has it happened? Because it shouldn't have happened.
When Prisby and Bush were interviewed in the MSP administrative case, they had to sign off on the very serious ramifications. They were ordered to answer all questions fully and truthfully. Failure could include being fired. Any self-incriminating information they disclose will not be used against them in a criminal court of law, and they have the right to representation. According to the MSP report the 7 investigators obtained, Prisby was questioned February 26th and had a union rep with him. Bush was questioned March 14th and had an attorney with him.
The top priority, yes, is to conduct a criminal investigation first and foremost.
We interviewed the Michigan State Police earlier this month.
I don't think we owe an apology to anybody.
Get this, sources say the criminal case against Prisby and Bush could now end up back in front of a judge up in Flint to specifically address this new potential legal conflict in a very high-profile case.
You've got to show not simply that you're not using the statement, but that you didn't gain any further information as a result of that statement, that your investigation is completely independent. And that may be very hard to do. Yeah. But yeah, it's the fruit from the poison tree.
So did Bush and Prisby say anything incriminating? Take a look at this. The copy of the police report we were given has all of those pages redacted, blanked out. We'll continue on this case. Live downtown, Jim Kirchner, 7 Action News.
Jim, thank you for that report, and thank you for the constant reporting on this.
Well, and tonight.